Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to post your Vue.js project on Hostinger. So this is my Vue.js project. So in order to upload this project to the Hostinger, first of all we need to go to where we have our project. So here you can see this is our Vue.js project, and first of all we need to click here at the top, then write over here cmd, then press enter. So it will open a command prompt in the project directory, and we need to make our project ready for production. So for it, we need to say over here npm run build, then press enter, and it will create a folder over here called dist. And we can just close this command prompt, and here you can see we have the dist folder, so we need to zip this folder. So we need to click on this folder, then right click, then click over here show more option, then click here send to compressed zip folder, and this folder will be zipped. Here you can see. So right now we need to go to our Hostinger panel. So you need to log into your Hostinger, then here click on website, then click on website list, and here you can see I have a domain called here this one. So here you can see dashboard option, click on dashboard, and it will open a page like this, and here you can see file manager. So we need to click on file manager, and here you can see we have a folder over here called public_html. So we need to go inside the public_html folder, and this folder is empty, so we need to upload our project. So here you can see the upload icon, click here, then click on file, and let's go to our local disk G. Our project was this one to view, and here you can see dish.z. We need to select it, then click on open, and it is uploaded over here. So we need to extract this. Let's just right click here, and here you can see extract option, and we extract it directly to the public_html. So here for it we need to give a slash, then just click on extract, and there you go. So we need to go inside this folder, then we need to select all the file from here. For it we need to press Ctrl A, and everything will be selected. Or what you can do is that you can click here and select those files and folder one by one. Then we need to move this directly to the public_html. So here you can see this icon, click here, then we need to click on this two dot folder icon, just click on this, then click on move, and it will be moved to the public_html. Now we can just delete the zip file and this folder as well. Now here just select those, and here you can see delete icon, click here, and just you can skip the bin permanently and click here delete. After that we need to create a file over here called .htaccess. For it, here you can see new file option, click on it, then here give .htaccess, and then click here create, and it will open the htaccess like this. So here we need to paste some code, and the code is this one. So I'll just copy this code and paste it over here, and don't worry, I'll also give this code in the comment section as well, so that you can just copy and paste it over here. After writing the code, just click here save, and it will be saved. Now we can close this, and right now if we just go to our domain, which is this one, we'll be able to see our Vue.js app or Vue.js project. Let's try to add something. Let's say here hello world. Let's see if it works. Click on add. Here you can see it is showing over here. So this is how you can host your Vue.js project on Hostinger. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.